With MySeniorVenture.com, you're able to create unique web links for any of your affiliations, associations, or corporate clients. This allows you to distribute the website to members or employees of the groups you choose to share the site with, and track the request for information through the site or as a lead. There are a few steps to take to set this up, but keep in mind that the system was designed to help you manage any and all leads that come in, and make sure you get credit for and can easily track those leads. This video will guide you through the initial steps to begin the process. You should have already set up your own personal web page, but if you haven't, refer to that video tutorial and complete that step before you start setting up a company invitation link. Now to start with, from this home page, click here to log in. Now enter the username and password that you were given when you registered. For this example, I'll use the login for Thomas Parker. As you can see, you're taken to this Agent Control panel. Now follow this link to set up your web presence. And now click here to set up your company invite URL. The first URL link that you'll set up is a master company invitation link. This will be used as the primary site to add any of your affiliation, association, or corporate clients. In this field, enter a web extension link for the new page. Since this is a generic page for your use only, type in a code that identifies this as your company invitation link. In this example, I'll use Invite Company. The name must be unique, and you'll be alerted if the name you choose is available or not, so you may need to try a few attempts till you find a code that is available. And when you click Add, you'll have created a new URL. For this example, it will be myseniorventure.com/invitecompany. Again, your new URL will be myseniorventure.com, whatever you select. Now the next step is to log off and then log back in using the newly created Master Company Invitation Link URL. So log off, and then up in the address bar, type in myseniorventure.com/invitecompany. You're now taken to this Organization Administration page, and this is where you can register individual companies. You can see here that this is still tied to you as the agent, in this example Thomas Parker. So complete this form with the group's information. I'm going to use a sample company, J&J Technical. Now just enter all the address and contact information. And lastly, I'll assign a username and password. Make sure you choose a username and password that can be easily remembered. You can also change the password later if you wish. Now hit Next, and you'll be taken directly to that company's Organization Administration Control Panel. You can also reach this control panel by logging in directly from the home page. So if you log off, log back in, this time enter the username and password for the company you just set up. So now you've registered a new company. In order to have the individual members or employees register and use the site, you must set up a separate and new URL link. This will be the URL that you use for the group you're setting up. So while logged in as the company, return here again to set up your web presence. This time, since you're creating a personal homepage for that company, click on Set Up Your Web URL. This invitation link now should be tied to the company name. So for this example, I'll type in JJ Tech in this field. Again, this must be unique, so you may need to use the full name or other initials or whatever you'd like that works. If you like, you can also choose a brief welcome message by typing in this box. Depending on the group, they may wish to welcome their members or employees, or they can simply leave it blank. I'm just going to type in a sample message here. You can go back and make changes to this at any time, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. So now when you click Add, you will see that I've created a new web URL called myseniorventure.com/jjtech. This can then be distributed to all the employees of the organization, inviting them to register and use the site, and any requests for information on any products or services will be sent directly to you as the agent. You can further personalize the page by uploading a company logo. Do this by going back here to the Organization Control Panel and click on Upload a Picture or Logo. Just browse your computer to find a file you'd like to upload. And when you click Import, the picture will be added to the home page of the site that you just set up. This can be changed at any time just by coming back to this upload link and choosing a different picture. So this is now what this looks like. If I log off this page again, and now up in the address box, I'll type in the URL for the company webpage that I just created. In this instance, myseniorventure.com/jjtech. So now when the employees of the company visit this site, they can either explore the site, view all the Medicare and long-term planning information that we have compiled, or they can register for free and have access to all that the site has to offer. Now, registering additional companies is just a matter of logging in again to your master company invitation URL and starting the process over again for the next group. You can make any changes to the company information or the welcome message by logging back in with a company username and password. So we'll go back into JJTech again. And this time you can see you can go to Manage Your Account Profiles and then Edit Your Account Profile. So make any changes to this field you like, and when you submit, the change will be made. You also see that you may update your password. Just complete this form and update it. And then from the control panel, go to Set up your web presence. And in this case, click on the link to Manage your web links. All of the web pages that you've set up will be listed here, and you can go in and edit that information. So just make any changes to the welcome message that appears on your home page at any time. We hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or concerns, contact your Premier representative or the myseniorventure.com team. Thank you.